Okay, welcome everybody. So everybody's wanted to walk around to the car. So we just got done with Alice's. You got my buddy's Type 65 over there. Mine's here. So welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. So we're gonna do a complete car walk around of not one, but two Type 65. So follow along. So people have been asking for this. So as you can see, my wheels are here. They're a little dark, so it's hard to see with the lighting here, but they fit good. I still do get a little bit of rubbing right up into here, so I'm gonna probably cut that bar. We'll clearance that. Other than that, they look good, work good. So as you guys can see, we're gonna do a complete walk around. Body fit is not perfect, so I'm not ready for paint yet, but it's close enough to drive it. So we're checking out the whole car. You can see I got the headlight buckets all covered in here. Oh, actually, the wheels look much better over here. Yeah, the sun's much better. So I'm getting just seems like a weird rubbing on the front somewhere. I'm gonna have to research that when I make a hard corner, but don't know for sure. So see the brakes behind the wheels. Ride height set at about 4.5 inches in the rear right now, about 3 3/4 on the front. So I'll probably drop that down. So we'll continue around the car. So you can see the view here. So I do have the one passenger side window up. I mean the driver's side. Haven't stopped the passenger side yet, but kind of walk around on the inside. Pretty much you guys have seen this on the channel, but just kind of going over it all. So now for the treat, we're gonna go show you my buddy's Daytona. So his car's been done. His is what number is it? 17. Number 17 for the Gen 3. So this car is one of the originals. So which is weird, he didn't get some of the pieces that mine came with. Like this filler piece here, plexiglass, mine came with that, his did not. What else was different?
Hatch hinges.
Oh yeah, the rear hatch hinges. He's got different hatch hinges, so the rear glass doesn't open as much. So they did make some changes over the years.
Nose locating pins.
Oh yeah, some of the nose locating pins. So they definitely some changes.
Radiator sheet metal.
This car gets tracked hard. He was just up in Oregon flogging this thing. This thing, as you can see inside, it is pure race. He does drive it on the street a lot, but as you can see, this thing, it gets beat hard. As I said, there's a video up at us at Thunder Hill where the radiator blows up and we spin out. He's got Brembo brakes up front. 13-inch. As you can see, he's even got a front license plate. I know, go figure. And he wants to keep his nice plexiglass cover in good shape, so he keeps the plastic on it. So he's running the Cobra. He custom built the exhaust. I think these are Flowmaster Slimlines, right? So the car is actually quieter. I wouldn't call it quiet, but and then he's got mirrors that I'm actually going to order too. Those are off of a 2000 Ninja, correct? So I'm going to order those because you can't see squat out of these things. Rear brakes, I think what, 11-inch Mustang 13s. So, but as you can see, he never washes it either, so we apologize for that. Yeah, look at the back all covered in dirt. And he also does deliver DoorDash in this, but that's his fun sticker. And these are the tracks here. He's been out. I think he's got more he hasn't put up there. So, but this thing is pure race car. It is, as I said, it's street legal, but it's a pure track car. Mine's going to be more of a mix of the two. So, as you can see here, this place we stopped here, it's up off Highway 84 near Alice's. Absolutely gorgeous. So, beautiful, beautiful place. So, there you go. It's about a 5-minute video. You got walkarounds of 2, not just 1 coupe. So I'll get this up hopefully today, this afternoon, and we'll continue building on the car. I said I still got to work out some bugs. The rear tire's rubbing. We'll get on that. Probably going to work on getting the passenger side window in, side windows. Definitely quiets it down. I feel once I get this thing closed up, it's going to be quieter. Still gonna need earplugs though. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe, and looking forward to you on the next episode. We're actually building something instead of just talking about the cars. Thanks again.